Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the PureWater Filters brand Descaler and Clean Pods that I work with all single-serve coffee brewers, including Keurig Classic 1 and 2.0. It's commercial strength descaling solution. The bottle descales. It'll allow 3 uses. You use 1/3 of the bottle in your coffee making machine and the rest water. You do a normal brew, cleans everything out, and then you run water through a couple times and you're done. This right here are pods that are specific that will fit those Keurig machines, and you have 15 of these pods. We're going to open up one of these to see what's inside there, but this is all made in the United States, and it's a deep clean kit, and what's going to allow you to do is have superior tasting beverages and simple and fast. This is chemicals in here that are specifically designed to break down the proteins of coffee. And they're all safe. There's nothing hazardous in here. It actually works to break down those coffee stains that you get on your machine. So every coffee pot has mechanisms in there with gaskets. You can see right there on the bottom, there's a gasket. And this does get corrupted with dried coffee and coffee stains and coffee bases. And this chemical specifically is designed to break that down safely. Same thing with the pods themselves. The chemicals that they're choosing are specific to break down the coffee stains that occur. And this works with espresso machines and all coffee machines. It's compatible. Anything that runs coffee or even tea through it, but specifically it's for coffee, and it will clean it so that your coffee will taste much better in the long run. So these are all calibrated, so they're calibrated to have the right amount because they know the amount of water it's going to go through a Keurig K-cup machine. And you don't have to worry about anything, you just do a normal brewing cycle. These all contain recyclable ingredients that are odorless and phosphate-free. Each capsule is composed of high-quality materials. The bottom is made from CSL 87 recyclable material, making each pod recyclable and environmentally friendly, so you can recycle this pod itself, which is nice. So go ahead and improve the taste and performance of your K-cup machines or your coffee pots by using this product. So I've got one of them open. You could see that it has the powder in there, and again, this is safe, and that's what's going to be flushing through your K-cup machine on the output port where it shoots the water through the coffee. And once it's used, this is recyclable. You just pull this out and you have the plastic on there that you can recycle. So what do I think about the PureWater Filters brand, or Descaler and Clean Pods? This is a cool product, made in the United States, good value, and you're going to be able to clean your normal coffee pots and your Keurig machines with K-cups. The pods themselves are recyclable once you use them, and it's got a safe chemical inside there, and you're going to be able to keep your coffee machines running top-notch to get better flavor. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.